Hi, I'm Curtis Parties and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we'll be going over the platform named as Strom Gain. In this video, I'll be going over the positives and negatives and everything you need to know before investing time into the platform. So Strom Gain is basically another cryptocurrency platform with one feature the other cryptocurrency platforms don't have, which is mining. The mining feature allows you to mine every 4 hours and basically earn passive income as you use the platform. So, and potentially earn up to $50 to $100 per month. So in today's video, we're just going over the platform and basically navigate, as I do to all my videos, navigate through the platform and basically how to get started. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also make sure to leave a like to get this video out to more people. So let's get right into it. So basically this is Strom Gain. If you navigate onto your browser, you will see this app. So the main platform Strom Gain is available is via mobile. I would prefer mobile, since that was where you're basically gonna be active the most, and obviously the other device is desktop. I'm saying mobile basically for preferred device, since you're gonna be basically available the most and you will be using your mobile device the most. And for Strom Gain, for the mining, for the passive income feature, you're gonna have to click a button every 4 hours. We'll get into that part in today's video, which I'll prefer installing it via mobile, but you are allowed to basically use it on both devices. So here is Strom Gain. As you can see, it's basically available in 230 countries plus, and it has approximately more than 5 million users worldwide. So as you can see here, South Africa is one of it, and basically all of the West America, and there we got some other side, so you can read through this on your own. It has the earn features. You can see here Bitcoin mining, unlock staking, which we'll not go into this video, which is the staking. As other cryptocurrencies, we have refer friends and we have easy starts, so it's basically similar to all other exchanges. So here we go. This is the home tab of Storm all-in-one cryptocurrency app with Bitcoin cloud mining, which is the emphasized feature of today's video. And there we go, Strom Gain products, and that's basically all the Ethereum. You get all your cryptocurrencies on you, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. So let's get right into navigating through the platform. I already made a shortcut on the desktop. So here we go, logged into my profile. As you can see, this is the main feature you'll be clicking every 4 hours, which is the Bitcoin cloud mining. But let's just start at the beginning basically. So this is the trading feature. As you can see, this is similar to all other platforms where you have your margin trading, leverage trading, which is basically trading with a leverage. And this is basically the exchange where you have all other features similar to Network, where you can convert your Bitcoin into Tether, you can convert your Bitcoin into Ethereum, whatever. Once you have your wallets over here, so here you can see wallets, I'm down $6 on this account. As you can see, you have your USD, your BTC, nothing in this account at the moment. Here you have your miner, which is the core feature, but I'm going to leave this for last. You have your earn interest. So it's basically similar to you're just leaving your account in a fixed deposit account where you'll be earning interest annually, which is, you know, compared to each exchange, you have different rates. So here we have unlock staking. So for the people that don't know, staking is basically you lock your cryptocurrency for a set time and you'll earn interest on that. Basically like is putting it in a fixed deposit. Here we just got more, which is report, your video education. So if you're gonna be spending a lot of time into this, I would say go over all these features here. So with regards to the mining features, so the mining features basically you just clicking the button every 4 hours and you basically earn BTC or Tether, which is you'll be earning a percentage of BTC. So if Bitcoin goes up, so does this value, but you get a fixed amount of which gets valued based on what Bitcoin is. So let me just show you in today's video. So as you can see at the moment, I have 003802 BTC in this account. So if I had to basically click this button now, that's basically all you have to do. It will just ask for some KYC verification. You'll do that. As you can see, that is synchronized. Now I basically got that number increased on screen, but now in the next 4 hours it will reset where you basically can press the button again and just earn based on that. So based on the tiers, based on like specific, as you can see, this is just a standard account, which might not be as much. As you can see, daily income is 0.4 USD weekly income is 0.7 and daily is basically $11. But this number can potentially be higher since the money you get from this you basically do not keep. That is a downside of this. You can only use this money you get from this for trading, which basically can potentially lead to you increasing the number. So if we go back to the trading, so I previously had 10 USD on this account where I basically started a trade. You can see the trade is down 6 USD for the time being. So as you can see, that is not where potentially the negatives, you're not allowed to withdraw that funds from this account. But as you can see, let's just go to more tiers. As you can see, gold is a different tier, which is your daily income increases, your weekly income increases, and your 30-day month increases. Similar to platinum, there we go, this is the most, diamond is the most. But as particularly this is people with trading volumes of 150,000 or more. For platinum is 700, and for diamond it's up to 2.5 mil. So I think for people not being invested money into this platform, that you will probably never reach that. As you can see, I've been on standard for quite a while and I'm not kind of planning in. This is basically just to experiment with the free money as I'm getting. So there is other features also where you can basically refer a friend on that part. So with regards to the exchange, it's very similar to once you reach the threshold of 10 USD. So as you can see, I've reached 10 USD, you are able to withdraw. So you're not able to withdraw if you don't have 10 USD on this account. So then after you reach 10 USD, you're able to withdraw it, and then you're allowed to trade with us. If you're new to cryptocurrencies and don't want to use your actual money, I would prefer to use the miner. So this will show you basically just the ropes around the leverage trading and all that. So here we can see we got USD wallets invest. We're down with a margin of just 5 on this trade. So just a quick tip also, if you're planning on joining, please use the affiliate link, because this will give you 15% and basically give you a bonus when signing up. And for the first, I think for the first few days, your drop rate will be faster as compared to now. You can see it's basically 15%, but sometimes for the first few days your drop rate is increased for the mining. So if you're planning on joining, make sure to use my link down below, as that will give you a little bit of a boost for when using the platform. But besides that, that is basically just the platform I want to go over to. This is just, it's free to use. You don't need to deposit anything onto the platform, but it will allow you to make a little bit more extra money. Not a lot where you'll be able to like gain, like buy yourself a new car or anything, but it's basically just a site, as you know, if you're using your PC or your phone on a daily, and it's basically just clicking a button every 4 hours. That's what the platform is basically about, and you will be learning a lot more compared to not being invested into the platform, where you will be learning basically risk management, your stop losses and all that, as you've seen all my other previous videos. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you gained something from this video and also learned anything new and basically this platform. So I'm Curtis Barties. Until next time, peace out.